Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you know, we talked about the traversal algorithms, right? Which is breadth first traversal and depth first traversal. We already talked about depth first traversal, where we talked about pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversal, right? Now we are going to talk about breadth first traversal, which is also known as level order traversal, where what we do, we traverse the tree level by level. Now this is actually very easy to implement. We already implemented this nodes at k distance, right? We are going to make use of this method to implement our level order traversal. It's a very easy, to be honest. So this will be a void method. Okay, you can make this public. Now let's take that loop. For I is equal to 0, I is less than the height of the tree, and I plus plus. For every single value of I, what you do, you get the nodes at that particular distance, which is I, and print it. So first it is going to print the nodes at 0 distance, which is the root node. Then it is going to get to the next level, that is first node at distance 1, level 1. Then at distance 2, which is the leaf node. So it will, according to the height of the tree, it will go level by level, and it will get the nodes at that particular level, and it will print it. So that's it. This is as simple as this. Okay, so your breadth first traversal is done, to be honest. Let's see by running if we are able to get the nodes level by level or not. So this is the result of the level order traversal to our root node 7. Then you have at the second level 4 and 9. Then at the third level, which is at distance 2, 1, 6, 8, 10. That's it. Your level order traversal is done. So as your basics of trees, okay, there are so many things to learn, to be honest, in trees. This is just for the bare minimum basics to understand what is a tree data structure, how the traversal algorithms work, so that you can make use of this knowledge to solve other problems. Okay. With that in mind, let's close the tree data structure and go ahead with some other concepts. That's all as part of this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.